I think that there is a healing inside that God is doing right now. There's a healing that God is doing right now. Because you've been living from day to day, day to day, day to day, day to day. And it's like you had a great future, but you didn't even see it because you were living from day to day, day to day, day to day. And your heart, you've been crying out, God, fix it, fix it, fix it. And it's been just going on from day to day. But God says today, He's wiping away everything. And He will restore the hope and the future that you've always had as a young man. Because you were a great man of vision, and God says you've lost it, but today He's restoring it. When everybody ran out of ideas, you had ideas. God says He's restoring it today.